Hey, what's up NFT fans? As you can see, MoonBirds is mooning, and from this you can see it's 20.6 ETH floor price and a volume traded 69.4k ETH. But this doesn't reflect the activity that's been going on, because as you can see here, a lot of these have been selling for well over 20 Ethereum. So we're looking at $60,000 to $70,000, and this is selling every few minutes. You've got literally 10 an hour selling at this price. So you can see that why this project will be one of the next biggest ones. And with it trending #1 on OpenSea, I think the people behind MoonBird are absolutely buzzing. So what is MoonBird? Well, as you can see here, MoonBird is more than just an avatar. They're a collection of 10,000 PFPs that feature a rich, diverse and unique pool of rarity-powered traits. What more, each MoonBird unlocks a private members club, which to me is a good feature and additional benefits the longer you hold them, because obviously they want to put a lot of utility around this, and with the NFT market being a bit dead at the moment, the more utility you can put to a project the better. But is MoonBirds gonna have a longevity? Well, at the moment we can see that MoonBirds is, but every project does have a bit of a tail off. But for me, MoonBird seems to be going to the moon. Now, Proof is the parent company of this. Started out as a couple of guys on a podcast. They got their community together, leveraged that, and then shot their project to the moon. So now you can see that MoonBird has over 156,000 followers, and their tweets are very active. So it's no surprising that this project is going to take off. Whether or not it's good to get in now, I think, yes, look for them low ones. If you can get one of these at a good price below the floor price, I think it's worth absolutely getting into it. But again, not financial advice, and do your own bloody research.